Okay, so this is my first attempt to fix a cracked headliner. This one came out of a two-door Caprice Classics 80s model, and this one was actually pretty bad. It was folded in half, a couple of pieces was broken. I used the blower to take all the foam stuff that's in between this and blew it off on the parts where I was going to do the repairs. It's looking pretty good. And the product I used for this repair was the Fuser 100 Easy. Not sure. But yeah, it turned out pretty good. It's gonna be just as solid as it was before. So if you guys got any questions, put it down on the comments and I'll try to answer them. This is pretty easy, a little expensive because of the chemical that we use, but yeah, I mean, to me it's really worth it. Now I know I can do it. Hope you guys like the video.